In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam Error 11 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can stop your downloads or prevent Steam from working properly. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll have it fully fixed. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. And I don't just mean clicking the X button, because Steam often keeps running in the background. To properly close it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open up Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, look through the list of processes and find anything that says Steam or Steam.exe. When you find it, click on it and then hit End Task. Make sure you end all Steam-related processes so nothing is left running. Once you've done that, the next step is to restart your computer. This step is important because it clears out any temporary issues or stuck processes that might be causing Steam Error 11. Go ahead and restart your system normally, and once your computer boots back up, don't open anything out yet. Now, launch Steam again. When you open it, let it fully update if it prompts you to. Sometimes this error happens because Steam didn't update correctly, so giving it a fresh start can fix the issue right away. After Steam opens, go to the top left corner and click on Steam. Then go into Settings. Inside Settings, find the Download section. Here, you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click that. Steam will ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will clear all cache download data that might be corrupted or causing problems. After clearing the cache, Steam will automatically restart. If it doesn't, just open it again manually. You'll be asked to sign back into your account, so enter your login details and continue. At this point, Steam Error 11 should be fixed. This method works because it removes corrupted cache files, refreshes Steam processes, and ensures everything is running cleanly from scratch. If you're still facing the issue, you can repeat the steps once more to make sure everything was properly cleared, but in most cases, this fix works the first time. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam Error 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.